Hello, this is John Locke for Lockdown Design. Today I want to talk to you for just a second about saying no. The one resource we can never get more of is time. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. We all make different uses of it. There's an old saying that says you can always make more money, but you can never make more time. Sometimes we need to say no to good projects or bad projects to get to the great or the exceptional projects. That depends on where you are in your career. It depends on your skill level. It depends on the opportunities that you actually have available to you. And this is going to vary for each person. But you have to use your best judgment when it's time for you to level up. Here's an example. Say if all the work that you do is for, we'll just say it's websites for dentists. Say that's all the work that is in your portfolio. But that's not what you want to do. Say you want to do e-commerce sites or sites for small businesses that aren't dentists. So you need to start saying no to the types of projects that you don't want to do. You need to start saying yes to the types of projects that you want to do. If you want to get bigger projects, more prestigious projects, or if you want to do something totally different from what you're paying the bills with, then you need to make a choice with what you do with your time and what you do with your client list and the types of projects that you seek out. You should always be seeking out the type of work that you want to do in the future. You should always put in your portfolio the type of work that you want to be doing in the future. If there's a type of work that you've done but you don't want to be doing it in the future, don't put it in your portfolio. And try to find, even if they're smaller projects and they can benefit you down the line, and there are different considerations for the types of projects that you take on. And that is, how is it going to benefit you now? How is it going to benefit you in the future? Can it open doors for you? Can it be something that you want to put in your portfolio that would be advantageous? Is there a person involved in the project that you want to work with? Is there a key investor or a person that you can reach through this project? Or if there's some sort of barter that can go on, that can be useful too. You can knock off some of the price for that, but it has to be something that's useful to both parties. And sometimes we are in a position where we have bills to pay and we have to say yes. So it's about moving toward that place where we can be selective of what we want to do. That's the sweet spot that you want to get to. And so to do that, you have to invest your time wisely. You need to invest time in yourself, like getting better, refreshing yourself. You need to invest time in enhancing your skills and learning new things to add to your skill set. You need to invest time in your family, and you need to invest time in your health, things like that. So you need to be smart with the types of projects that you take on. You want to get the most quality out of the projects that you do take on. You don't want ones that suck your soul and suck all your time and you get no return. If they're low money, they should be low impact. If they're higher return, then you can invest more time in them. If you have an NDA project, it can't go in your portfolio. So the money's got to be good, because that's going to be stuff that you can't put in your portfolio if it's behind an NDA. That's not going to be any good for you. So the money has to be a little bit better, because it's not going to be anything that you can likely talk about later. So it's not always about saying yes. Sometimes it's about saying no, making good use of your time. You have to budget your time. You only have 24 hours. Everybody has the same 24 hours. So make a good use of it. If you have questions for me, whether you are a web professional, whether you are a person seeking someone to do your website, you can totally get a hold of me. John@lockdowndesign.com is the email, and lockdowndesign.com is my website. Check it out. Later, y'all.